Hello, good people, and welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here, we learn, we connect, and we grow. It's been an exciting few weeks for Microsoft Excel users with the introduction of 14 new functions. And these new functions are really going to make work easy in Excel. In our series, we are going to explore these new functions starting with VSTACK. If you are in the business of consolidating multiple reports from across sheets, join me and let's go through an example where VSTACK will make this very easy.
So we'll start off with this data set, monthly transactions stored in separate worksheets. So this is January, same layout for February, and then I have March. My goal is to create one consolidated list from all these three sources. It's easier if these were tables. So because this is a data block, I can stand here, go to insert, and then convert this into a table. It helps me do what we call structured reference. Shortcut is Control T. Okay, so Control T to convert this from a range to a table. I can name it, so JAN for January, and then I'll do same for February as well. Control T, and when I come here, I'll name this FEB, and then I'll name my final range March MAR. So I now have three tables, and if I come to my consolidated sheet, I want to stack these three tables on top of each other in a dynamic way. And this is where we get our new function VSTACK. So what VSTACK does is that it vertically stacks arrays into one array. So see the tables as arrays, okay? And we are going to call each table in here. So first January, comma, then followed by February, and then MAR for March. My headers are already in place, so now with this formula I'm going to hit enter, and it spells all the three sources into one array. So if you check, the last entry here is 20th March, and this agrees with the last entry we have in the last table. Now let's try an example where we bring in data for April. And to make it easier, I'm going to duplicate the data for March. So I'll click here, hold Control and drag to my right to duplicate this worksheet. Alt HOR APR to rename this worksheet. I'm going to change these dates. So I'll highlight this range. Control H brings me the find and replace dialog box. And my date is month, day, year. So I'm going to replace the 3/ which is March with April 4/ and I'll place all. So this converts to April, and let me name this APR as well for our new table. So my formula lives in the top left cell of my array. So if I come here and I update this to APR, okay, VSTACK just updates and adds data for April. The good thing about this is any change that happens at the source also affects this in a dynamic way. These new functions are really going to make work easier. We'll continue in our series to explore how we can save time and improve productivity with these new functions. These functions are available in Microsoft 365. If you have Microsoft 365, check out these new functions. If it's not in yet, depends on the channel you are in, it should be available soon. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.